Aristotle and Nietzsche both share a naturalistic view on ethics in the sense that they both believe that morality is rooted in human nature and that ethical behavior is an expression of that nature. For Aristotle, ethics is about fulfilling the potential of human nature, which involves cultivating virtues such as courage, honesty, and justice. Nietzsche, on the other hand, believed that human nature is characterized by a will to power, which involves striving for excellence and overcoming oneself. Both Aristotle and Nietzsche also rejected the idea that ethics is primarily about following rules or obeying external authorities. Instead, they emphasized the importance of personal responsibility and individual choice in ethical decision-making. For Aristotle, the virtues are developed through practice and habituation, which requires a certain degree of freedom and agency on the part of the individual. For Nietzsche, the will to power involves creating one's own values and goals, rather than simply accepting those handed down by tradition or authority. Excellence is an art won by training and habituation. We do not act rightly because we have virtue or excellence, but we rather have those because we have acted rightly. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act but a habit. Aristotle. One key difference between Aristotle and Nietzsche, however, is that Aristotle believed that ethics is ultimately about achieving eudaimonia, or a state of flourishing or happiness, while Nietzsche rejected the idea that happiness should be the ultimate goal of human life. Instead, Nietzsche believed that life should be lived in pursuit of excellence, even if this involves suffering or struggle. From desire, I rush to satisfaction. From satisfaction, I leap to desire. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, Faust. Overall, the naturalistic view on ethics shared by Aristotle and Nietzsche emphasizes the importance of personal responsibility, individual choice, and the cultivation of virtues or excellence. This stands in contrast to other systems of morality that are based on external rules or authorities, and that may inhibit individual expression and creativity. At bottom, every man knows well enough that he is a unique being, only once on this earth, and by no extraordinary chance will such a marvelously picturesque piece of diversity in unity as he is, ever be put together a second time. Friedrich Nietzsche.